This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you're going to need to launch the Google Drive app that should be pre-installed on your phone. If not, simply get it for free from the Google Play Store. Onwards, tap at this plus icon you have, choose the scan option from the list, grant Google Drive app with the permission to use camera, and then once the camera gets launched, take whatever document you wanted to scan, and well, just take a photo. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, retake the picture. In here, you can edit your scan. For example, you can change its color scheme, rotate it, or crop the original photo and frame the part of the picture you would like to be actually included in the final document you are about to create. Then hit the save button, save once again, wait for your file to be uploaded to Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.